Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download the bitcoin.com wallet right on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download the bitcoin.com wallet on your mobile device is easy. First, tap open your App Store or your Play Store and into the search box, type in bitcoin.com. Once you perform your search, you'll be able to see this application popping up right at the top. Tap the download button in order to begin the downloading process. Bitcoin.com is a website that provides a digital wallet for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. You can also download the application for Bitcoin Wallet and use the platform to buy, sell, trade and use cryptocurrencies right from your mobile devices. Once the app is ready to use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Tap on it to launch Open Bitcoin.com wallet right on your mobile devices. Now you can import an existing wallet from your cloud, or you can also import it manually if you already have a wallet. If you don't, you can tap on Create New Wallets to get started. That is how you can easily download the Bitcoin.com wallet right on your mobile device with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.